that guy was wearing a mask. It was just his bird. Don't ruin it.
Subscribe, you spaghetti noobs. You see?
Hey guys, Spaghetti Noob here. Today we have a great video for you. But before we get on to the video, please make sure you hit the like button. Please consider subscribing to the channel. Hit the notification bell so you know when a new video is out. And with that said, let's get on to the video. Just came from my last stop. Oh, I haven't been to the hospital in a while. Well, it looks like they have these little tents. I'm guessing that's for COVID testing. In any case, just came from my 4th or 5th stop. I can't even remember. But, well. And one. So I think I have one more stop to go. And then after that, hopefully I miss the rain. It said 20% like all day. So hopefully it doesn't rain on me. I thought I saw some sprinkles earlier. But I think it was just a whole bunch of dead bugs that I killed, unfortunately. I can't even tell the time. I got one of my GoPro batteries charging. One of my batteries was shot. I mean, I put it in and it didn't even last 10 minutes. Luckily, I was like 10 minutes away from my next 7:30 a.m. to Monday through Friday. It's not Friday. Or it's not. It didn't even last anything. I have a older GoPro, so I don't know how I'm gonna find batteries. I don't know how I'm gonna find the case. Right now I'm kind of winging it. The screen to my case, I wish I would have recorded it, but I couldn't record it. It fell and it cracked. It fell on a brick and it cracked. So I needed to get a new case. But I don't know if I can pick up one of the new GoPros. Maybe look for an alternative. I've had so many issues with it. Even sent it back and they sent me another one and they didn't even fix the problem. I don't even know if it's worth reaching out to them. But the problem was that I used to get was it would always reset to like a time in 2015. So anytime that I would record, it would be 2015, and then when I'd plug it into my computer, it'd say, hey, your clock was off. Well, I know it was off, because you just told me it was off. So my whole recording was set, and even if you update the date and time settings in the Quick app, it does you no good, because the file attributes were saved to that. Or saved as that, should I say. So, it's a lot harder to change it within the OS. That guy was wearing a mask. It was just his bird. Look at that. Clear road. So yeah, I don't know if I'm going to get a new GoPro. Especially with this whole Corona thing going. Something smells good. Maybe not. So far, 44.4 miles. Or just about. Need to make it before it gets dark. This, I mean, it's pretty early in the afternoon, but still cloudy, still possible to rain, but once it gets dark, I'm not going to be able to see anything out of my visor. I've been needing a new helmet. The new visor for like 3 years. Each year I put it off. Each year that I try. Is this the zoo? Or is this something else? Or is this the golf course? I don't remember. It's either the zoo or the golf course. I think at least. Excuse me. Also haven't been down this way in a while. I mean, there was a school right there and there's all these school buses. I've never seen school buses actually parked near a school. Usually they're like way outside and I never understood it. What is that building? I need to get in front of this guy, but I don't need to go on the freeway. Looks like I got room. Huh. Oh man, that pizza place smelled amazing. I don't know how well you can hear me, so I'm just gonna stop during this time. Alright guys, that's it for now. Before I let you go, please make sure you hit the like button, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe and share the video. Thanks for now. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share. Thank you and have a good day.